Okay, we're on. So, look what's just arrived. We have pipes. Actually, even the pipes look pretty good. I think I'll need that. That must be the piece itself. Nicely wrapped. Oh, it's got a little pouch. Oh, very nice. Oh, little bits. Look at all the little bits. Ooh. I had no idea, but they look cool. Okay. Oh, yeah, all my templates. Oh, God, there's a lot of work in here. Alright. I'd have to borrow Carl's Apprentice some of this. He's offered them. Okay, alright. Looks like you might not have labelled what's mine and what's Chris's. Anyway, I'm sure I'll work it out. I have no idea what that is. Oh, that's my regulator, the compressor. Okay, very good. I can't even remember what I bought, actually. I presume. Well, one of these must be. Oh, there you go. Chris care package. Oh, nice. Alright, sealed. Very nice. Alright, send that on Monday or Tuesday. And more stuff. Oh, fantastic. Oh, instructions. They're what I need the most. Brilliant. Thank you, Steve. What a lot of excitement. Alright, send that Monday or Tuesday. And I've got a big weekend ahead of me, along with full-time work. Alright, thanks.